First, ensure the vehicle is off and the keys are removed. Open the passenger side glove box fully. You'll see two plastic stops, one on each side, preventing it from opening all the way. Gently depress or unclip these stops to allow the glove box to swing down. The housing is a black plastic box secured by clips or screws. Unclip or unscrew the cover to access the old filter. Gently slide the old filter out. Note the airflow direction indicated by an arrow on the old filter. This is important for installing the new one correctly. Use a vacuum cleaner to remove any loose debris from the housing. With the old filter removed and the housing cleaned, insert the new cabin air filter into the housing. Ensure the airflow direction matches the arrow you noted earlier. Make sure the filter is seated properly to prevent any gaps. Once the filter is in place, reattach the housing cover, securing it with the clips or screws you removed earlier. Now reattach the glove box stops and gently push the glove box back into its normal position. Close the glove box and test the HVAC system to ensure proper airflow. Run the AC on recirculate mode to check for improved air quality. Dispose of the old filter responsibly, and remember to replace the cabin air filter every 15,000 to 30,000 miles or annually, depending on your driving conditions. A clogged filter can reduce airflow, cause musty odors, and even lead to window fogging.